When Melody and Seb approached me to help them design their new home, they pretty much gave me carte blanche. I was very fortunate in that they trusted my expertise and taste, and I understood their preferences. They also had a very clear vision of what they wanted. They wanted a family home that would be warm and comfortable and really conducive to raising their young children. But they also wanted to be sophisticated. And that is because they entertain quite a bit, both their friends and extended family and also clients. The family room is where the four of them spend most of their time together. It was very important to have a lot of very comfortable seating in here. So we chose this custom L-shaped sectional that really maximizes the seating in here. We also added a couple of chairs and a pair of stools so they can really accommodate quite a few guests in here. Probably one of the most favorite features of this room is the gallery wall inside the built-ins of black and white photographs. We wanted to be sure that it's meaningful to them. So we chose photographs that would remind them of their many travels as well as their interests, their passions. In the dining room, we actually used the table and chairs that the homeowners already had and wanted to keep. We paired that dining room table with a beautiful vintage Persian rug. We had a lot of fun with a wall of plates. We picked a number of designs from different collections and it was really a lot of fun putting it together into this little installation. The sitting room is a more formal space. The little ones don't venture here very often, so we had a little more flexibility in the choice of furnishings and fabrics. You will see quite a few plush fabrics in here, velvet, silk velvets, quite a few glamorous details and finishes. We have a beautiful glass chandelier, brass coffee tables. We actually chose 2 brass tables that we put together for a larger piece so that it creates a more intimate conversation area. In the master bedroom, our jumping off point was the beautiful Persian rug that Melody and Seb already owned. Melody actually really likes the color pink. I thought it was a perfect space to incorporate that color into the palette. We also included some more masculine colors. You'll find a lot of deep gray fabrics in here, as well as these dramatic silk drapes that ground the space a little more and again add a little bit more panache. In the son's room, Melody really wanted a subtle nod to the theme of African safari, while the husband is really into aviation. So we thought it would be really fun to marry the two, and so you'll find a very fun Air Force tent in which they can play. We have a plane suspended from the ceiling, which is really delightful. In the daughter's bedroom, we already had the bunk bed. So that was our jumping off point. And from there, we added in a little more silvers, some golds, some soft pinks, as well as some hot pinks. It's a room that can really grow with her. It's been a little while since we finished this project, and I was so happy to see when we returned that Melody and Seb have not really changed a thing. So I'm just really glad to see that they're enjoying the space as much as I love designing it for them.